Hey everybody, Matt here, and I'm really excited to finally get to taste the 98 proof OKI Reserve 12 year. And this is a whiskey that been following, know that New Riff only got a one-time tranche of barrels from MGP, all of them the high rye recipe. They released the 10 year, they've released a 9 year, they're releasing this 12 year, and then what they're doing after this, they haven't really announced it yet, but you know, once this tranche of whiskey is gone, it's gone. They're not buying more. They're going to release New Riff Bourbon, which they've been working on for years. So this OKI is really special because it's got two things going for it. One, it's the high rye MGP recipe, and two, it's over the hump of what is out there on the market. So a lot of people have been buying 2 year, 3 year, 4 year barrel and putting them down and releasing them relatively young to try to generate cash. What's really special and interesting about the OKI is that it's the older MGP. It started out older and now it's 12 years old. This is really a masterpiece of whiskey making. Just big surge of cinnamon, kind of like cracked or like freshly snipped vanilla bean pod. Oh man, there's baseball glove leather. Just very rich. 98 proof. Let's taste it. Okay. Wow. So what I really like about this is right on the finish, there's this beautiful combination of citrus, like lemon citrus, and leather, and then that mid palate, you get that surge of spice, and it's elegant, but it's perfectly proof. 98 proof is just absolutely the right proof for this whiskey. Probably could have taken it up to like 101 or 102 or 96, but it's right in the strike zone of where it needs to be. I've tasted some of these single barrels, they're phenomenal, but this 98 proof 12-year reserve is one that's going to go down in history. They're not making any more of it, they're not releasing any more of it. This is it. So the fact that they had some of these, pretty much all of these are just top-notch barrels, great juice. What else can I say? Don't pay hundreds of dollars for flipped whiskey. You can buy it right now as a Big Red VIP, open the bottle and drink it. Cheers.